In round 11, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase for 3 times. Finally, work 2 single crochets. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set, work 2 single crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. Keep working 2 more sets. Work 2 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Three sets are done. Then work 2 single crochets. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches. Round 11 is done. In round 12, start with 1 chain stitch. Yarn hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Then turn the fabric. Skip 1 stitch and work 11 single crochets from the second stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch and start crocheting from the second stitch. We start from the second stitch. Skip 1 stitch and work 11 single crochets from the second stitch. Insert hook into the second stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. The yarn hook pull through both loops. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 10 more single crochets. Eleven single crochets are done. Skip 1 stitch and work 1 single crochet in the marked stitch. Remove the marker. Insert hook into this marked stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn hook, pull through both loops. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch. Turn the fabric. Then work set off 1 decrease to some crochets for 3 times. Work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Attention here. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook yarn and pull up loop. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook yarn and pull up loop. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Then yarn hook and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. That's 1 decrease. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Mark the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. One decrease and 2 single crochets are finished. One set is done. The second set, 1 decrease. Insert hook into next stitch, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Insert hook into next stitch, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn hook, pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 decrease. 2 single crochets. The second set is done. The third set, 1 decrease. Two single crochets. Okay. We have worked 1 decrease and 2 single crochets as 1 set. 3 sets are done. Next, work 1 single crochet on the side. Pay attention to the insertion position. In this position. Pay attention to the insertion position. Then work 11 single crochets in the skipped stitches of round 11. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches during crocheting. Work 11 single crochets along the edge of the fabric. Eleven single crochets are done. Next, work 1 single crochet on the side. Pay attention to the insertion position. Okay. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Make sure to tighten up when working the slip stitch. Round 13 is done.